convened, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce myself. I am Deputy Mayor Milton C. Howell, and this evening I am excited, nay, honored, to welcome two brave and daring adventurous adventurers, Mr. John Potts and Mr. John Coulter. Now, in just a moment, our beloved Mayor, Horton Parnell, will deliver a speech detailing our respect and admiration we have for these two gentlemen. He will also go on to tell of the tales of their heroic travels in the company of Lewis and Clark. He will then wrap up that speech with our undying gratitude, nay, our undying appreciation.
Milton! If you keep telling everyone what I'm going to say, there's no reason for me to say it.
Oh, I hadn't thought about that.
All right. Howdy, folks! Howdy! As Milton was mentioning, we are here tonight to honor two fine and upstanding gentlemen, Mr. John Potts and Mr. John Coulter! We are also here to dedicate the latest addition to our western wilderness area, and that is the Potts and Coulter Trading Post and Expedition Company. Thanks to these two heroic heroes, we can now rent a raft and supplies and travel down the Calico Rapids and claim some land as our own.
Oh, excuse me, Mr. Mayor, excuse me. Bixby Knowles, editor of the Calico Gazette.
Bixby, we all know who you are. Why on earth are you interrupting my speechifying?
My apologies. I was just wondering if Mr. Potts or Mr. Coulter could speak to the rumors of a strange, elusive, ape-like creature roaming the wilderness along the banks of the Calico River.
Now, Bixby, please do not upset the town folk with tall tales and speculation. I, for one, do not believe the rumors of a skunk ape in these parts. That was probably just some swamp gas. Yeah, that's what that was. Probably just swamp gas.
Let's just get on with cutting the rope. You are quite right, Judge. We do hereby dedicate this trading post and rafting expedition company to those brave adventurers everywhere that embody the pioneer spirit. Gentlemen, do the honors. Drum roll, please.
I hereby proclaim the commencement of the operation of the Potts and Coulter Rafting Company officially hereby commenced! Enjoy your journey down the Calico River. And travel safely, everybody. Travel safely. Is that your wife? What was that?
Something back there.
Park Journey, hello? Theme Park Duo? Let's do this thing.
Dueling POVs.
This is gonna be crazy. Oh God, I'm gonna get wet.
We're all gonna get wet. Oh,
I'm just gonna soak it in. Just gonna soak it in. It's nice to go on this again. Oh! That's a minimal. That's minimal.
That was the first one.
Yeah.
Very exciting.
Did it spray back there?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, I'm backwards. Not good. No bueno. No bueno. Oh, no!
Uh-oh.
This is the bad part.
Oh, crap. Yeah, it's a cougar. Good thing you put that on, Josh.
Yeah, he would have been soaked. Oh, geyser! Whoa!
Yeah, I'm putting my poncho on for the next ride. Yeah.
You're putting your poncho on after this?
I'm driving back to the poncho on. Not very loud.
Uh-oh. Ah, crap. Oh, right at the end! Ah. Well, that was Calico River Rapids here at Knott's Berry Farm. Please remain seated.
Or I will shoot you in the head. I don't think my poncho's behind me.
It's not.
Yeah, it's never behind you. Oh wow.
Life goes on.
You're pretty much wearing your past that.
Uh-oh.
Dynamite!
I want the characters here all the time.
Oh! Yay, poncho! We're gonna start doing all the sound effects.
Pretty much. Shoot! Oh. You inflated.
No. They should have those guys out there all the time. Oh, crap.
That's what I was thinking. I really wish they were out there all the time.
They can shoot there's like things you can push down.
Oh, yeah, I
We
forgot
saw
about the
them earlier.
plungers.
If we get some footage of that.
Yeah, we should go do that. I like how it's calm right before.
I know, right?
Right before, like, don't worry, sorry.
Right before the
Yeah.
Yeti.
The Yeti or Bigfoot?
Bigfoot.
It's a skunk ape.
Well, you got a good shot that time. Uh-oh. Oh, crap.
I'm the one going backwards. Oh, we got.
That's where you got it last time.
Yeah, we got lucky.
I love the ponchos, though.
Yeah.
Like, these are really cool.
These are nice ponchos.
Yeah.
Dry them off, keep them nice.
Exactly. Calico River's ponchos.
Seriously, this is our second time riding. It's a really fun ride. I forgot how fun this ride actually was, and with the added animatronics, with the sounds, with the music, just the really nicely designed layout, it's really a great addition to Calico, and I like that it's just cohesive now, so make sure you come ride it here in Knott's Berry Farm.
Go back that way. Go back that way.
What's happening?
They're traveling down the river rapids, getting blown up.
Dynamite. Go ahead. And then the water goes up, it comes right down on them, and they don't even know where it's coming from or why.
He's coaching them on how to more effectively blow up the people riding down the rapids. I'm trying to warn them to go back up the river where it's safe.
Oh no!
No. Turn back. Go back that way. That way. It's safer that way. I'm afraid they're not listening to me, though.